So this is how you really take the benefits of the AI. What I've done is that I've given it instructions and it's been quite long and it's getting the things done for me, which if I would have done by myself would have taken so long. So we would have to go and adapt to the technology and find the easiest methods, easiest ways, but you should know the basics. Unless you don't know the basics, you won't get more fruitful benefits from AI. So this is just an example. See what it is doing is it is doing everything. It is going on Google. It is searching on Google Maps. It is putting the locations, the names. It is uh, gathering the competitors' data, everything. But I have explained it uh, to the AI that what I need. So you have to be sure that what you need, and then you command and instruct the AI. Then it will get things done for you. And see in the video. So I will be covering this in another video as well. So stay tuned. Take care. Bye.